Hi, I'm Solange. I am a wife, a stay at home mom, and an online health, wellness, and fitness coach. This is day 17 of my Ultimate Reset journey. Say hi. Hi. So, here's what we did today. Cat, Ginger. This is a fun one, right? So, today was a good day. Overall, very good day. Fruit for breakfast. I had the Moroccan carrot salad for lunch, and then dinner, roasted acorn squash with green beans, lemon green beans. Leave the cat, Israel. So, I didn't have any cravings like I did yesterday. I guess, those things you go through and you just, it's an adjustment. I mean, you guys have never gone without meat, any kind of animal protein. I almost always have eggs for breakfast, and bananas. And those are things that are not included, on the reset. No bananas, but no eggs past day 3. So, when you get used to a routine and things become, you get comfortable and your body gets comfortable. And so I had to remember that going through these cravings. Israel, come. Yeah, I had to remember that going through these cravings because it's not something that I'm used to, and that's okay. This type of journey, any form of health, wellness, and fitness journey, good job. You have to be committed to your goals, to yourself, to the bigger picture, to what you want to accomplish versus what everybody else is saying. There's a lot of stuff out there that we can do, but the bottom line is to do something that you feel connected to, and just remember that results don't come overnight. So, and with any type of journey, there is an adjustment period, and you have to forgive yourself. Thankfully, I haven't gone off script with this. I really wanted to do it completely by the book, and I'm really happy that I've been able to do that so far. So, see you tomorrow for another update. We're already on day 18, so that means we're almost done. Say bye bye.